The RBI's digital rupee, also known as e-rupee, is a digital version of the Indian rupee that is being piloted for retail and wholesale use. The digital currency will be distributed through banks to participating users and merchants via digital wallets in select locations across India. It will be issued in denominations equivalent to paper currency and coins and will offer characteristics of actual money, such as trust, safety, and settlement finality. The pilot project involves several banks, including State Bank of India, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Yes Bank, and IDFC First Bank. The digital rupee will be fully backed by the sovereign and will have legal status, making it different from cryptocurrencies. Here are 3 potential benefits of RBI digital rupee. Starting with the first benefit, digital rupee can help to reduce transaction costs, making it easier and more affordable to send money across India. This can be especially beneficial for migrant workers who need to send money to their families. As we move ahead, digital rupee can be designed with advanced security features, making it more secure than cash transactions. This can help to prevent fraud and reduce the risk of counterfeit currency. Lastly, digital rupee transactions are traceable, making it easier to track and monitor transactions for tax purposes. This can help to increase tax compliance and boost government revenue.